Can you find a wife in Colombia in 2 weeks?
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What's up guys, my name is Marwa and today I have a very special guest. And what's your name?
Hello, my name is Maya.
Yeah, her name is Maya and this is really amazing because she speaks English. Where are you from?
I'm from Bogota, Colombia.
Yeah, she's from Colombia. You know, most people always ask me, man, I don't speak Spanish. Can I get a lady in Colombia who speaks English? Yeah, even me meeting Maya and she speaks like really good English. It's like, wow, you know? Because mostly in Colombia, people don't speak English that much. Actually, when you speak to people in English, they are always like, lo siento, yo no hablo, or they say, a little English. yeah, we have nothing bad with Colombian people. I know people struggle because they also speak Spanish, which even me I struggle speaking, so I know. Yeah, so as you see, Maya is really beautiful, saying, man, today the comments will be like dying here. We are making a video is, can you find a wife in Colombia in 2 weeks? Yeah. Why are we making this video? Is because most of the people travel to Colombia at mostly on average is like 2 weeks. And when people come down here, they have the pressure of like, man, I want to find a wife. Not even a girlfriend, man, a wife. So I have Maya here and she's gonna help me explain this, and also I'll give you my reason of the same topic because I've been staying here for 2 years, some years back. Yeah. Maya, first tell us about yourself. Who are you? Like,
Okay, I'm Maya. I am 28 years old. I have been living, to be honest, I'm from a really small town from Colombia, but I have been living in Bogota for 12 years.
12 years. Which is your small town?
My small town is called Los Pondores in La Guajira. A beautiful place. You guys have to come one day.
Actually now, because of her, that will be my last town to visit before I leave Colombia. I'll go there, then come back to Bogota, then fly out of Colombia. In La Guajira, right?
La Guajira.
La Guajira. And she told me, the girls in La Guajira are like...
Oh my god, the girls over there are really beautiful, they are tall like me.
Yeah, she's really tall. I wish she could stand, like she's really tall. Like.
Yeah, but if I stand, maybe you guys can see only my hips. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So let's go direct to the topic. Maya, do you think it's possible to get a wife? Actually, that's what people come looking for.
Yeah.
Not even a girlfriend, you know. People come with crazy pressures from all over the world and they want to say, man, I have this Colombian dream, I want to meet a Colombian girl, I even don't want a girlfriend, I want a wife. So tell us.
Okay, I will have to say that it's impossible to find a wife in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I'm sorry guys, but you have to make an effort, a big effort, because we, like other women, love to it will be nice to spend more time what is the word for that?
To know each other?
Yeah, to know each other.
Yeah. It's like, actually, that's why it's called dating. Dating is that period where you're trying to know each other.
You try to know each other, you know hobbies, you know everything about the other person, and in 2 weeks, tell me what you could get to know the other person.
Yeah.
It's impossible. Maybe if you guys want to go for a date, go dancing or do something like a nice and fun, you can go, but definitely she's not going to marry you because of that. I'm sorry guys, but it's not going to happen.
Yeah, you know, that's actually the hard truth which people really don't understand. And I always tell people is, if you're coming to Colombia, at least a month. And even if you're coming to Colombia, that month is not like to give you a wife. It's to build a relationship.
Yeah.
It's to build, like, to construct something, to say, oh man, now I know Bogota. Oh man, now I know Medellin. Oh, now I know 1 or 2 or 3 people in Colombia. And you know, most of the time when I try to tell people that, people really don't like it. People say, no man, me I wanna go to Colombia and find a wife, and they just, like, 2 weeks, man, that's too little, you know.
Yeah, you guys will need more time.
More time.
Yeah, more time, because you guys have to need to get to know Colombia and then the girls and go for a date, for a beer, I don't know. but definitely you will need more time.
Yeah, man. And also one thing I discovered here is there are different types of ladies, like women. A serious girl who really is serious into you, she can't marry you in 2 weeks, you know? A serious girl. But if she's just a girl who has seen an opportunity in you, that one, she may tend, and you know, those type of things like don't really last long. They may happen, maybe you might find very exclusive ones that may end up maybe good, but generally most of the time is when you find a girl very quick, it's maybe she has seen something in you, or maybe she wants to improve her life, you know, because maybe other girls have dreams to go to the States or to go to Europe or to go, you know. So what is your advice? What can you advise somebody? Let's say really you think like somebody's coming to Colombia.
Okay, if you are coming to Colombia, to Bogotá, Cartagena, Santa Marta, any place in Colombia, because Colombia is a beautiful country, you will have to come here at least, I will say 3 times. 3 times? 3 times.
Yeah.
And if you just want to come one time, it will have to be like a really long visit. Time. Like, I don't know. At least I would say 3 months.
3 months.
3 months. Yeah. If you want a nice girl, I don't know what you guys want.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So maybe also it depends what you're looking for.
Yeah.
If you really want like a really nice girl, at least 3 months. Actually 3 months is good time, you know. Good, it's a good time even if you meet a girl today and for 3 months you'll be chasing her down the line. I think she'll be like, oh, let me give him a shot, you know.
Yeah, and I mean, what did you plan? Are you planning to come here, get a wife, and then go back to your country and bring that exotic and beautiful woman? Or you want to stay here with that woman? What is your plan? I mean...
But what do you think a lot of Colombian girls prefer? Do they prefer like going with a guy? Yeah, let's get
to that's a really hard question. I don't want Colombians to hate me, but I don't know. There are many girls that want to improve their lifestyle and they want to go to another country. And I don't know, maybe travel around the world.
Yeah.
But in my case, I've been in USA. I lived there for 1 year, and that's it. I wanted to come back to my country.
Why?
I don't know. I just wanted to come back. But I have many friends that stayed there for a year, and they decided to get married, and they are living there like a happy. Like they are really happy there.
In their life.
Yeah, it depends of the girl
and what they want in life.
And they want in the life. Yeah.
Yeah. And let me ask you, where is the best place to meet a good girl?
Oh my God.
You know, okay, let's say for example, me, I'm a foreigner, okay? Me, it's my first time to come to Colombia. I'm just in a plane, just landed in El Dorado Airport in Bogota, Colombia. And now I'm here in my Airbnb and looking, now where will I get a girl? Yeah, I'm looking even... Okay, not a wife now, because wife for 2 weeks.
Stop it, guys. You are not going to find a wife.
A wife in 2 weeks. But if you do like several trips in Colombia, or you stay here for long, as she has said previously, you can. But now my question is, how can I find even a potential? Okay, let's say potential now.
It depends on the girl you want. For example, I am from the coast.
Yeah.
So the people from the coast, you know, guys, we are more like a happy, relaxed. We love to dance. We love to do everything. I don't know, if you like to dance, you like the beach and everything, I will say that it's better if you go to Santa Marta, Cartagena, Medellin. The women in Medellin are really beautiful. But if you wanna go like a shortcut, like an easy way, you can come to Bogotá, because Bogotá is a huge city. So people from all over Colombia are coming to Bogotá to find like a job, to find, I don't know, maybe even even a husband. Maybe you're lucky and you can find she can find a husband and you can find a wife.
Actually, that's why I like Bogota. I like big cities because big cities have like many people. Actually, even if you see my older videos of Colombia, I did more videos in Bogota because the population is huge. So you get to find even Venezuelans, you get to find, you know, like you find different people looking for different things. So, and you know, when the population is so high.
Yeah, in Bogota, we are like 8 million. Almost the same as New York.
Yeah, so you can imagine 8 million, man. And if you live here for 3 months, in a population of 8 million, let's say half you are girls, 4 million. man, you can find something, you know.
Of course you will
Yeah.
find something. Yeah, but you have to change your mindset. Like come here and find, I don't know, a friend. Start with a friend,
Yeah.
then a girlfriend, I don't know, and maybe a wife.
Yeah,
But it's
just-
not going to be that easy. I don't know why the people think that Latins or people from women for Colombia, we are
Yeah.
easy, and we are not easy.
Actually, it's not easy, man. Yeah, but unless maybe you have like a very A game.
Yeah.
You know?
Tell them, you tell them.
Yeah.
You have been here for a year,
Yeah.
so how many girlfriends do you find in that time?
Let me be very honest with you, man. For me, from my own experience, it all depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for just a girl like just to spend a night with, you can get, and tomorrow she will be gone. You know, it's something like comes and goes. But really, like a serious girl, the time I've been in Colombia, like for 2 years, like a very serious relationship I've been to, maybe two for 2 years.
Two girlfriends?
Yeah, like serious ones. Like when he introduced me to their like families,
Okay, nice.
you know, those are like two.
Like a serious relationship.
Like a serious relationship.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but I think for me, honestly, especially being black, you know, also being black is another thing you should consider being in Colombia. So me being black, actually, I found Mexico City to be the best place. Yeah, because in Mexico City, as a black guy, you are very exotic, like super
Yeah,
exotic.
and in Colombia, like almost everybody is
Yeah.
black.
Yeah.
There are like a big
Mix.
population
Yeah,
of
of black
blacks.
people.
Yeah.
So when you're here as black, people see you as... Oh, let's do a video about that. I think we shall not confuse this video.
Okay.
Let's make a video about being black in Colombia and dating as a black guy. Yeah, guys, so please check part 2 of this video if you're a black guy. We don't need to be racist, but let's, you know, we don't want to be irrelevant to some other races too, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. So please check Maya's Instagram in the link below. Also, it will be popping right here in the screen. And also, if you want to see the next video, be there and you'll check it, okay? Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Yeah, show some love for Maya in Instagram and say, oh, I watched the video and
I've been waiting for you guys.
Yeah,
You
that's
have
fine.
amazing pictures.
yeah, she's actually a model. Go see what she does there. Bye bye.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to